And sir,
it was before.
And sir, the only thing is that sir, in our the MP side, sir, the police went that before year, sir, the police has the rules in the highway side, and they said that all of you wear the mask. But in this time, sir, there is no police in the arise the highway, and the police also not wear the mask, sir. We can see, and they cannot say the
It
people
should
that
be restricted in such a way that there is no problem to people also, and in students also.
And sir, they also
and the
think-
schools are also open.
And they
In
also
such a
think
way
that
it
corona is
can-
away, but sir, this is the wrong method in our the Indian side, and in mostly in our MP side, sir, and in the UP side, sir, they are the strict rule, but in the MP side, they are very freely, sir.
So there is no any problem for CM. He can give instruction. So we have to follow some things like we always wear mask in crowd places, and we have to responsible.
And sir, we have used the 2 meters distance for 2 and 1 and 2 people.
Corona as well as dengue is also going on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
dengue.
But after that, the
Because
people
of
are not
dirtiness
aware.
because of there
Because
is
of
a-
dirtiness, sir.
Sir, garbage is throwing. People are throwing garbage outside of their room.
And sir, this dengue is only for the students also, the children who are under the 18 years.
Yes,
You
sir.
know, in the hospital they are the mostly the under the 18 years. Below side the children who has suffered.
Yes, sir.
from
Dengue
sir.
have also suffered people many fields.
But sir, this is the wrong way for the governor also. But this is also wrong way for the people who not allow the distribution who the governor has gone to the
So people are also wrong, sir, because they are not wearing mask.
And
And which kind of people are wrong? You know that illiterate people.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
illiterate people.
They are illiterate, they are
Knowledge.
uneducated.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After they have got very good education, then after they are doing this kind of thing, it's not fair.
Yes,
Okay, so we should aware as well as the in this kind of literate people will also aware.
Yes, sir.
Okay, otherwise they may get, I think, lots of we can say difficult in their life.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, beta, we should which kind of message will you give society?
Sir, we can give the society such type of message that we have to literate people in this corona time also.
Okay.
We cannot stay the home students at home and say them to that you stay home, don't go to school.
Okay.
And sir, that is not the method that the student is sitting in the home and is going to the school. But sir, the governor also take the action on that type, sir. In the school, the governor has given the new instruction at the yesterday, sir. Or every day school is open, and so but
And sir, the governor said that school can do anything what they wish.
What they wish.
Sir, the CM of our MP, sir, should take one type of restriction to schools that they have to follow. They have to follow restrictions that the governor give.
And
to them.
sir, they have not the different type of rule in our the MP side also, sir.
They cannot do of their own.
Okay,
And
so let me know, beta, in your school teachers also wear masks or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Teachers
Most of the teachers
sir,
wear masks.
Wear mask, and
Okay.
sir, every teacher wear the mask and student also wear the mask. But sir, that is not the problem, sir. But the problem is mainly thing that the governor should not aware of this type of things, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, and what do you think, beta?
Sir, that this corona times, sir, we have not to be. We have to responsible.
Okay.
Yes, sir. If we responsible, the government cannot do anything if we are not responsible.
But sir, the governor should not give the intervention, but the people also aware for us, because sir, the people is not aware for us why the governor can do.
Yes,
Sir, this is the mainly point,
Sir,
sir,
this
because
is- this
the
is
people
all-
is not aware the why governor can do, because
Okay, only because of the reason of the people.
Yes,
people.
sir.
Okay. So, okay, doesn't matter, but according to we are educated person, you are belong to very good family.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, beta, we should aware.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
we never go to in this kind of place, and we never meet in this kind of people who are suffering from this kind of disease.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so beta, thank you so much,
Thank
both
you,
of
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice, thank you.
Thank you, sir.